That's my problem.
Waar is het nog bij de tuin?
Nope. Question is, where do these go? There's a culprit. And there's his nest. And wee shite. So what did he bite? Now, which wires are live? My breaker's switched off, so 2 of these should be dead. That's what it's looking like from there. Live. Nothing. Nothing. Live. Live. Right. That's my culprit there.
I knew there was bothers with the way things were.
Looks like there's one more. Way in the back. Looks like he's up around here. So we have to clear all this away. The fat wee bugger. You couldn't write it. Serves the fat wee bugger right. Come on, let go. Serves you right. Done right bit of tune. That'll do for a wee repair. Just a strip connector. Tip it onto this wire so the next boy can get through without biting. That should do. Just in case the next boy gets a bit peckish. I think we'll screw it down this time. Now, it's just from me this time, cutting through the wire. Hopefully, lovely. That's where the wee bugger was, just above. That's her.